A taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanilla Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this delicious groundnut or peanut soup. Now this is a staple of African cuisine and a great blend of healthy fats, protein and fiber. We'll be making it a Ghanaian way today, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good. Let's get right into today's video. So these are all the ingredients we'll be needing. I have 2 medium-sized onions, bell pepper, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, garlic, some habanero pepper, and some ginger. I'll leave everything down in the description box below, so check it out. I have some chicken, I have beef or meat, and for spices today I'll be using some cumin seeds, rosemary, anise seeds, and 1 shrimp cube. I also have my groundnut paste and tomato paste or puree. Let's start cooking. So as usual, we are going to start by prepping our vegetables for steaming or boiling our meat. So here I am cutting up some onions and some ginger. Okay, so now I'll add my chopped onions, ginger, a clove of garlic, habanero pepper, and my green bell peppers into a blender. Add some water and give it a good blend. Now in prepping our meat, we'll add our beef to a pan. We'll add our chicken to it, yeah, just like that. Fix what needs to be fixed, yep. To that we'll add some beef seasoning, chicken seasoning, half of the shrimp cube, and our blended ingredients or mixture. We'll reserve some for later use, just as we did the ginger. Yep, put that on fire, and then we'll come back to the rest of our ingredients or vegetables. Add all of them to a separate pan and add some warm water or hot water to facilitate the cooking process. Now after that, you put that also on fire. Yep. And then checking on our meat, it looks so beautiful. It smells incredibly amazing here right now. Yep, it has cooked beautifully for about 10 minutes now. We need it to become a lot more tender than it is now, so we'll just give that a good stir. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. Yep, beautifully. And then we'll cover that up and leave it to boil for an additional 10 minutes. Okay, so in a blender we'll add some water, and then we'll add our groundnut paste or peanut butter. Now you add water first because you don't want to have your groundnut paste sticking to your blades and making the blending difficult. So now we'll come in with our tomato paste. Add some more water and give that a blend. Okay, so this is the consistency we are looking for. We want it to be smooth and creamy. Rinse out your blender and add that to it because we are not wasting anything. So now on a very low heat, you put your blended mixture, stir periodically to avoid burning until oil settles on top, which indicates it's ready and cooked. So going back to our vegetables, they have cooked beautifully and perfectly. So we are going to take everything out and put them in a blender. And to that we'll add our rosemary, cumin, and anise seeds, and the other half of our shrimp cube. And to that we'll add the remainder from the first mixture and give it a blend. So checking on our meat, after 10 to 15 minutes, it has cooked perfectly, beautifully. It is tender, it is nice, and it is ready. So you just go ahead and mix it up even more. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and strain our vegetable mixture into our soup. We want it to be as fine as it can get. So yeah, add more water to your preference. If you want it to be thick, you add less. If you want it, the other way around, you add more. But we will be enjoying it with some omuto or rice balls today, so I want it to be a bit thicker. So yeah, like so, give that a good mix. and leave to simmer for about 5 minutes. Now checking on our groundnut mixture, it has cooked beautifully. Look at the oil. Yeah, it looks perfect and it's ready and cooked. So we'll just have to now add it to our soup, which has been simmering for about 5 minutes. This soup is one of the easiest soups to make, but if you don't take care, you are going to mess up big time and your tummy will not allow you to have some rest. We do not want that, so yeah, please ensure everything is properly cooked to avoid that, so give that a good mix. Cover it halfway and leave it to boil for about 10 more minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and our soup looks good, ready and thick like I wanted. So we're going to give it some more mix. Scrape off the sides of your pan because that is your flavor. You don't even know how that tastes like. It tastes so amazing. Do not leave it unattended to. Scrape off the sides of your pan, incorporate it into your soup, and yeah. Our omuto looks so good right now. It is almost ready. Yep, rice balls by the way. So we put in some Scotch bonnet pepper for some more heat to our soup. For those of us that enjoy heat, yeah, our soup is pretty much ready. Leave it to simmer for about 5 more minutes and voila, it is serving time. Yep. It smells so good, you guys. It smells heavenly in here. Our soup is ready. This is what it looks like. It smells good, it tastes good, it looks good. Head over to the kitchen right now. I'll be waiting to enjoy with you. We enjoyed it with some omuto and it was heavenly. Let me know if you enjoyed cooking with me today because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. And remember that the first step to every tasty meal is cooking with love. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.